Today, let's play with some eggs. Let's start with our first project. We have named it Black and White. This is what we are trying to click over here. Start with a normal egg and take some poster colors and paint the entire egg black. Now take a black glass, a black cloth, lay the cloth and put the glass over it. Now arrange the silverware meticulously and very carefully and place the eggs on them. Here, now you are ready to click the photo. Our second project is hide and seek, and here we will use light to manipulate the shadows. Let's begin by taking a stand and using a chart paper to make an infinite background. Now get some blue tack and make a round ball of it and place the egg on it. Now switch off all the lights, switch on only a single light source and start playing with the shadows. Our next project involves props and lights. For this project, you will be requiring the similar setup as the previous one and get a variety of strainers and start experimenting. As done in the previous project, switch off all the lights, use only one light source and keep the strainer in between the light and the egg. See how pattern emerges on the eggs, and whichever pattern suits your liking, you can start clicking. Keep experimenting on different strainers to get different looks. Our fourth project is Face Off. Here we will learn how to give character and emotions to an egg. First, decide how the eggs are to be placed and have a story ready. Secondly, take the eggs and then arrange them accordingly into the tray. Now, go on Google and search for expression cartoon face PNG. This will give you eyes and expressions of cartoons with transparent background. Download any of the free ones and just paste it on the photo which you have just clicked. You can use any software to do this, such as Photoshop. Project number 5, the last one in this series, and we are calling it the Sperm Battle. Begin by making a sunny side up egg. Now arrange the spoons as required and now click a top-down photo. For the processing part of the photo, let's jump into Photoshop. In Photoshop, open the photo and select Filter Liquify. In this panel, select the clockwise swirl tool and just click on the stems of the spoon. Just keep doing this for all the spoons and you will have a curvy spoon. So this was all about creative photography with eggs. If you like this video, do not forget to share with fellow photographers and also click the like and subscribe button, and do not forget to ring the bell. Until next time, stay safe and click with me.